2, 1, go, athletes would begin their hike up Mount Finlayson, from the bottom of the mountain to the top side. Along this course, there are very different terrains to be aware of. There's rooted areas, as well as windy downhills, wooden bridge crossings, and challenging uphills. Near the top of the climb, there will be portions where hands may need to be used for safe climbing. Always use extreme caution on these areas. Near the finish, the path flattens out a bit, which makes running a bit more appropriate to the finish line, which will be the top sign. Once the sign is touched, your time will stop. There's a couple different paths. Immediately at the bottom, there will be stairs to the right and a trail to the left. Stay left on the trail. There are various other signs located throughout the climb. Read them carefully prior by pausing this video, or practice prior to familiarize yourself with the markings. There are orange route markers along the way, occasionally with arrows. Follow those to ensure that you are following the correct path. Once at the top, enjoy the nice view after the completion of Event 1.